Okay, this is the Vevor welding table. This is the cheaper one, and I mean they made it even cheaper than before. A few things to note is the directions show there are 3 bolts on each of these sides, yet there's only 2. They removed 1 from each. Also, these have really sharp edges. I mean, razor sharp from where they were laser cut it. I mean, these are sharp enough to give you a metal sliver. Ow. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Yeah. These edges are sharp as hell. Very sharp. Every edge. Yeah, very sharp. Very sharp. And that thing's gonna fester. That hurts. But yeah, what you're gonna need a 14 millimeter, a 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and a guy named Philip. And of course, you're gonna need one of these to get into the box and remove the 450 feet of saran wrap, because every piece is wrapped in saran wrap. But I'm getting this together best I can. I've got cuts all over me. Oh, that one hurts too. I mean, look at that. Already turning red there. Cut there, and I don't even know when I got that cut. I've got a metal sliver right there. Got a couple on these fingers too. I mean, this thing, I feel like you have to take this thing out of the package carefully and then take some kind of file or something to every single edge. It is razor sharp everywhere you look. Every edge is just razor sharp. Absolute pain in the ass. But I'm gonna continue getting this together and see you guys in a bit. Okay, I've got some of the legs assembled. It's actually taking me a hell of a lot longer to do this because I'm missing a bunch of parts from the little parts bag. I had to dig into my stash and get 4 washers, 4 nuts, a bunch of other split washers, other washers for this. I mean, I'm literally digging in my emergency kits here for parts to put this thing together. This is insane. I mean, you spend $70 for something and it's missing, I'd say, maybe 30 pieces. They got rid of 3 bolts so far that I have found, and I'm missing a whole bunch of parts. And not only that, it's razor sharp everywhere you turn. This is ridiculous. Okay, getting it slowly put together, and more razor sharp steel everywhere I look. I mean, it is everywhere. And again, I had to bust it out and get some more parts. So I mean, it's already been like 40 minutes and I am barely even completed. This is ridiculous. Okay, I've got it almost together. I mean, it is not very sturdy at all. They say 2 regular nuts, one here and one here. they're not regular nuts. The instructions literally say a regular nut here and a regular nut here, but it's a wing nut here, and then this thing here, which is, no, was it that bitch? No. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Regular nut, regular nut. Even the picture, there's no part there. It shows in the diagram that the legs are the same width as this, when they are definitely not. They are definitely not. And yeah, pardon the mess. This is just like a workroom slash meeting room, and this used to be a garage. But yeah, the handle, I had to get extra washers, like a whole bunch of them, because the hole is gigantic, and the washers that they send with are just as big as the hole, and so is the damn nut. The nut is just as big as the hole, so it's like, yeah, the nut would go right straight through. And then it is, I mean, come on people, do better. And razor sharp, I've got cuts all over my hands. This thing is, there's parts missing, pieces missing, things missing. This is ridiculous. And like the legs and extra parts, like I've got extra parts here that don't even go for it. I mean, yeah, this is ridiculous. Okay, got the thing completed. I had to take the legs off. These stupid legs they clip into the little feet down there, and anytime you tip it up, they fall off the moment you hit any kind of resistance, like even a small, like, little piece of pebble, and they fall off. I picked it up and put it in, and when you put them in, they clip, and it goes and locks into place. And then the moment you pick it up or tip it, the leg shoots out. So those are completely useless. I'm gonna have to self tap through the top here and screw it into this. That way I can use it as it's intended. So far, yeah, these Vevor tables are trash. I mean, I haven't even gotten to use it yet. I haven't even gotten to use it yet, and it's already crap. They changed the design, missing a bunch of parts. I had to use parts that I had already, nuts, bolts, washers, lock washers. I'm cut up, and it's like, this is, what the hell? Yeah. Vevor, get your shit together, man. This is, I give it a 2 out of 5. It's sloppy work.